So hey guys, today is a very chill day for me. Like, I got up, I looked for breakfast. I haven't even spread my bed yet. Normally I spread my bed the first thing in the morning, but I don't know what's happening today. I guess the sun junked me, and my exam assignments start 6 o'clock today, so I pretty much have nothing to do throughout the day. But I'm gonna get up and spread the bed, sweep out the house, and wash the dishes, because I can't live like this. And then maybe I just come back in the bed, get my notes together and all that. Yeah. And would you believe that my mom, my siblings are having, you know, a party in England, and didn't even invite me. They're having like jerk off thing, you know, you understand? So that's what they are doing, and I'm here, have nothing to do. Alright guys, so I finished cleaning, did my breakfast, and now I'm about to jump in the shower. But I just want to ask one question. Something I'm going to know about, because the place literally quiet, like when I hear nothing, like even a car on the road when I hear. Until the dog next door when I hear a bark. Like, is there something that I don't know about? Did everybody go to the beach or something, some holiday, something I keep me to know? Because place too quiet, man. That's my somewhat morning routine, and let's see what happens in the rest of the day. And my assignment starts at 6, so that's what's gonna happen. But yeah, this is day 2 in quarantine, lockdown inside. I have nothing much to do. Probably everybody asleep because I've nothing to do. But yeah, somebody when I like sun catch me in a bed, you know, you make it lazy. But yes, let's see what's happening in the rest of the day. $150, so that's $850.
No, it'll be $1,000.
No, man, off.
Okay, in here, $850.
$850.
$850.
Yeah, I'm so glad that they came, because this morning, I used the last plantain, and I want some banana to make some shake. So yeah, so I got these. And I didn't get no tomato yesterday, so I have tomato now. And my pine finished, so I have pine for shakes. And what else? Yeah, and I also got green plantain, because, you know, I me want some more. This I gotta take time I ripe, you understand? So put them there. So now I have to order the fish. I have $5,000, so I have to order the fish. But later I'm gonna do that here, man. I'm gonna bathe now. So it's now 12:40, and I know I said I was going to shower soon, but
I'll be sitting here now.
if you realize my one bump right,
I'm
so
thinking nothing about
I'm trying to take care of my face right now, yeah, while watching
I just
church.
hear somebody sick, watch it, and that's it. And then I move on obedience, and I
let me sit for a while and then go shower, you know.
Minister to
Guys, I literally don't know what to do with myself. Like, I'm so tired. Well, not tired, but bored, right? And this is my water bottle. Like, what I do is I fill it up with water, and it keeps cool throughout the day, so I don't have to keep going into the fridge back and forth every minute, because we're all about saving, you know, light, and saving money, of course. And as you can see, the lady came with the stuff. I didn't bother to buy any oranges because I've been having migraines or headache or something, and I'm thinking maybe it's the oranges, the amount of orange I've been eating, because I've been drinking orange juice and I've been eating a lot of orange. So I decided to cut off of it for a while. And I bought banana to make shakes, and pineapple, plantain, like God literally sent her, because I wanted some plantain. And you all see what I got, right? And I have my assessment to do at 6, but I have 48 hours to complete it, so it's no rush. And should I literally read over my notes them or something like that, but it's like I just can't find the energy to do that. And if it's an open book test, like, why do I need to read over my notes? Like, if we get 48 hours to do an exam, then I think it's going to be like, it's going to be challenging, but 42 days to complete an assignment, then I think I can manage, right? And yeah, so today, day 2, very boring. The place is so quiet, like no one, not even out of them gate them now go. So me I wonder, like, you know, place quiet, nobody not do nothing. Not even carry me barely here drive on the road, which is very good. And I hope the rest of Jamaica is actually adhering to the rules and staying in, because right now we're at 143, so that's a lot compared to like 2 days ago. 2 days ago we were at 70 something, and now we're at 143. You know, it's gonna keep rising, so it's good to stay in. And I think I may just put my order in for the fish to see if I can get it like delivered probably Friday, Saturday or Sunday, one of those days. And I didn't even realize that today was Thursday. Like, every day is just another day for me. No church, no school, like I don't know the days of the week anymore. But that's that. I'm gonna close my eyes for a bit because I feel tired. I took some medicine, so I feel a bit drowsy. I don't normally sleep in the day, but I think I need to rest for a while. Maybe that's why I've been having headaches, maybe because I know I messed up my sleeping schedule one time to watch a show, and then from that my head been hurting me. So yeah, so I'll see you in a bit, guys. Guys, I just wake up, like I literally not sleep, I feel so good in the bed, and my neighbor can wake me up, but I'm going to snack. So I want to snack on some cheese bread, mango, and my other drink. You sleeping good yesterday, guys? Sleep is so good, but guys, am I the only one like just can't feel satisfied? Like, I have to eat so much stuff. I just had the mango, the boy and cheese, and I just feel for a snack. Quarantine really make me craving. Alright, so guys, it's now 6:30 and my assessment got released at 6 o'clock, and I was going through the questions, right? And we have 4 10-mark questions and 2 20-mark questions. So you know that's essence, right? And we try up on Google, not a thing up on Google. And you know, we never study, right? So that's what's up tomorrow. You know, I have to ace this because I don't want to fail any more presses. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to gather everything tonight, like all the points that I need to put in the assignment, and then tomorrow, I just flesh it out, and then Friday, I just fine tune it because we have to pass the exam here. No, this is the first one, so say the next 4 of them, I go study and practice because they mean business. No, this is me. A lot of notes. I come with my computer right there, my laptop right there. When I sit on the veranda, like I can think. I just have a fresh brain, so that's what's up for my quarantine video today. I didn't do much. I cleaned, looked after breakfast. I haven't even eaten dinner yet. I just had a banana. But today was pretty chill, pretty quiet. Like I don't see anyone really on the road, and we don't even have any case around this area, but people really are standing in the yard, so that's very good. And that's it for my lockdown St. Catherine vlog today, because I just stayed in, and sorry it wasn't so exciting, but after I finish this assignment I want to do some DIY project because I want to make my own mask, plus I need to do a glow up day because your girl wants to shave, your girl face want to be titivated and all those stuff. Yeah, I need little tiny loving and care, so I want to do those stuff. Plus I have to do a cooking video for in my kitchen. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing wings and I need to do a mukbang for that. So I'll be coming with more videos, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for subscribing. I see you, the new subscribers. As always, like, share, comment, hit the subscription button below, and then hit the notification bell so whenever I release a new video you will be the first to know. Bye.